So I have officially scrapped the entire plan. The plan was kind of spoiled, but I got lost in the woods. I lost cell service. I mean, you name it, it happened. Everywhere I've been, I haven't seen really any Kitsch whatsoever. Nothing up my alley. So I just said, you know what? I'm like headed northeast. I just want to go home at this point. But I haven't lost all hope yet. I'm still kind of winging it on my way home since it's still daylight out. I've just gotten to... look at how cool this place looks. I've gotten to Carolina Treasures on Main. I'm in Wilkesboro. I think that's where I am. North Carolina, obviously, not Pennsylvania. All right, I grabbed a second basket. They looked a little surprised to see me, honestly. So far, I've only spent $94, and we are taking these because these are freaking cool. Now, I have these, like a lot of things in this style don't usually sell out well for me, but these are really cool, and they're only $5, so I'm gonna take them anyway. And of course, I noticed this adorable little Inarco rocking horse planter. That nursery style is popular, $6. Oh my gosh. I'm definitely gonna get that too. What's this funny tiger? Oh, it's got some paint loss though. I feel weird not getting it, but it's got a little too much paint loss to justify. And then I also just see the Inesco dogs. I've had those ones a bunch before. Is this an onion? No, I'm not sure what. I'm right. I'm starting to, I need to reel it in here. Cucumber. Are these cucumbers? They're like pickles or something. Cucumber, salt and pepper shaker. They're kind of funny. I wish they had faces or something. I think this is new. Yeah, it's definitely newer. Cute though. What is this little planter? It's like a, I guess it's the, is it the letter B? Pocket vase. It's cute. It's only $5 though. Is that a gun? That's really weird. It's weird, but I'm gonna leave it. All right, we got one more level to go. And I think there's another place around the corner from here. I could be wrong. But I am like, my faith has been restored. Oh, this is what I needed. Oh my gosh, wait. No, that can't be. Okay, so I was gonna say, it's a reproduction of a really good set. Hey, yellow bug. Well, I am nearing the end, but I couldn't help but notice these bookends. These are really quite fun. $10, is there a discount? I feel like I should get these. I'm not so sure about that color though. I know I can make money on them. I think I'm just being weird at this point. Should I get them? I wish I knew what to do. I feel like I already know the answer is get them, but the more I see paint loss, I'm not so sure, man. I think I'm gonna leave them, sorry. All right, let's see what we got going on here. Got this random duck, he's pretty great. $7. And I actually had this planter before and did not sell. Oh my gosh, stop it. $8? No way. This is definitely one of the better selling ones. It's a left-in. I'm gonna go ahead and grab this for sure. It's pretty hard to find. Well, this little doll definitely got my attention. Little Cupid Hong Kong, $4 with the little crocheted outfit. I pick these up from time to time. Oh, ew, gross. Just kidding. Wait, what's that? I don't think this is what I think it is. $3.25 though. Kind of feel weird not getting that for $3. Okay, so for $3, I'm just gonna go ahead and get it. It's kind of spectacular. Now, Next up, I noticed this telephone pin cushion with the scissors holder. It's only $3. It's been a while since I had one. They are made in Japan for $3. I just say $3. Yeah, I'm gonna grab that too. But also, look at this guy. He's a faceless pixie. And of course, the USA pottery planters. I noticed I've had like almost all these before though. Oh yeah, it was the Dream Pets, $4. The Bulldog usually sells pretty well. He's in pretty great condition too. I'm gonna grab that. Okay, but what is this? It's a little music box. Oh my gosh, for $4, there's no way I'm leaving that here. That is fantastic. So I know I was kind of knocking the US pottery, but I couldn't help but notice this one with the lovebirds. Unfortunately, it's super cracked. That sucks. And then I see the Matador. It's just a figurine, and I'm not a big fan of that brown. What about the Cuckoo Clock wall pocket? Oh my gosh, it's a deer at the top. That is so stinking cute. How much is it? I don't see a price on it. Dang, that stinks. I don't think there's a tag on it. I'm not bothering to call. It's not worth it. Trying to keep it moving. Wait, look at this Dollygram. Oh my gosh. Now I've had these before, but this one that says please cheer up, it's only $5. I'm not sure if I'll sell it or put it in my drawer of emergency gifts, but I'm definitely grabbing this. It's so stinking cute. Now, I did decide, since the deer mugs have a little nick on them, I'm gonna leave them just because they're more common and they have some wear, but I am ready to restart this day, even though daylight's almost done. That was so freaking awesome. I only paid $147 for 2 boxes of stuff. Now, I went directly across the street, and now I am at Key City Antique Mall. Let's hope to keep this luck streak moving, because God knows I was like over it this morning. It definitely smells like weirdly nice in here. $12 for that set. I've had it before. I love the coconuts, but I told myself, does that say 14? Yeah, 14, 15. Told myself I wasn't gonna buy a coconut again. Once again, I'm managed to kind of get turned around. Not really sure which way to go. Oh wow, this is so stinking cute. I love the mushroom. Oh my gosh, that's so stinking cute. Well, if nothing else, this is officially the cleanest antique mall I've ever been in. Just like, I feel like I could touch any surface and there would not be a speck of dust, which is a little bizarre. What is that? 42. That is very cool. Polycook. Huh. Well, definitely looks expensive, but it's absolutely beautiful. $250. I actually don't think that's that crazy though. I don't know that much about it. So I see traces of stuff I like down here, but nothing that's really calling my name. So I'm gonna go upstairs. Maybe better luck there. I definitely like the look of this. Also, I can't get over how good it smells in here. I'm gonna grab a basket just in case. It is kind of hard to figure out which way to start. I'm gonna start at like the far end, I guess, and work my way over. I'm still seeing a lot of newer stuff. Okay, but also like a giant booth of blow molds. That's definitely a good sign. Awesome. Oh, look at the bunnies. I can't help but notice this planter. Where's it? Oh, there it is. ABC puppy planter. 65% off, $13. What? Well, what's wrong with it? I know I've kind of bashed the ones with this block end, but for that price, I can't not. And the pineapples were paired, unfortunately. So the dog planter came to like $5. What is happening here? Doll head ornaments. These are definitely the Japan ones. Oh, these are pretty spectacular. They're supposed to have stickers on them. They're pretty cute. And then of course I also can't not notice the Bambi lamp. That is adorable. Okay, so I'm not much of a glass person nor Fenton person, but I cannot help but notice how beautiful, especially this one with the hummingbird. Dude, what? 175? That is amazing. Are those Emmett Kelly salt and pepper shakers? Oh, they are, but unfortunately they've got a big chip and they're $18.50. I'm turned around. Did I go over here? I don't think I did. Oop, mushroom jar. $55. No thanks. I got really excited when I saw these boomerang glasses, even though they're a little cloudy. $45 for the set though. I don't want to deal with that. If there was more colored instead of more white, then I would, because that's actually a cheap price now that I think about it. Little lamb. This looks like it might be a newer one. Nope. Wait. Japan. $4. That's pretty cute. All right, well, we'll get this too. Now, I know I've been super picky. I might have left that lamb or that dog on another day, but 2 planters for less than the price that one will sell, especially after the couple days of not finding anything I've had and how much staycation I've taken, I'm just gonna do it. So, $147 across the street, $10 here. I'm on a roll. I'm still kind of headed back home. I was looking if I could see any more different places around here. I'm not really seeing anything that pops out. So I'm gonna go to a couple places I've been before.